My name is Neil Grant. I work for Glen Turner. Been here for 12 years and I've worked my way up to the team leader in the dispatch area. Glen Turner is a French-owned company. We have facilities in Scotland, France, Spain, other parts of Europe. We deliver worldwide, and we send out thousands daily all over the world. The Hyundai trucks we have here on site, we have 16 in total, ranging from a 2-ton truck up to a 5-ton truck. The majority is 3.5 tonne that we use in the dispatch area. Our trucks have 4 forks rather than 2, so we can lift double the amount at the time for faster loading, faster movements, better for coming off the bottling line. And we have a push-pull attachment on one, which is great using the smaller truck because it's on and off the containers. We've customised the Hyundai trucks by putting a half laptop that's attached to the roof. So if we're picking orders, we can see everything. Everything's at eye level, it's not uncomfortable. And also the scanner's attached to the computer, so everything's handy, it's there, doesn't obstruct your view. All the 5-tonners on site are fitted with a pyroband system because they work in a level 2 environment. And a level 2 environment is more dangerous to work in. There's risks of a fire on site. All the 5-ton trucks on site, the forks are capped. Because all the forks are made of steel, these get covered up because it's such a flammable environment. We don't want any sparks, they're covered with an aluminium that stops any danger of setting anything off. Hyundai HiMate system is very, very useful in our work. It's a fleet management system. It's something you can keep track of everybody, every time, especially for safety. It's a very clever system. It gives everybody their individual ID, the truck specifications. There's a login process of a checklist. Everything has to be working fine for the truck to work. And if there is a failure, it automatically sends it to your computer. The benefits of the Hyundai, the reliability, actually the comfort, you're actually higher, gives you a better view, second to none. They're good trucks. We were taken to different sites and we got taken down to Leeds to view Hyundai trucks, and they were phenomenal. Their feel, comfort, reliability, they were just the best ones we tried. Tried other trucks, but nothing compared to it. The backup support we have from Hyundai is second to none. We can phone them, email them that day, and I would say 50-50, they're there the same day. If not, definitely the next day, and that truck's back on the road within hours. We don't have any downtime from Hyundai at all. Definitely recommend them. We've never looked anywhere else since we got them, hence why we've took a long-term contract.